This is an alloy pan. This is an alloy pan. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick, and on this channel we cook Asian food. Now if that's something you would like to see, like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit the notification bell, all that kind of stuff. Right, today what we're going to do today, guys, we're actually going to make a curry pan. So do you want one of these? You're looking for a curry pan? Why? You know, everybody bleats on about, oh, you can only cook a curry in an aluminium pan. You don't have an aluminium pan, but you want one. You can't get one of these. Let's show you how to make a curry pan. If you look around anywhere, or even in the cupboard, you know, you might have really old, horrible pans that you would probably consider throwing away. Why? You know, what's that made of? It's made of aluminium. What's this old non-stick dirty pan made of? Aluminium. So to make a fantastic curry pan, all we need to do is take that old non-stick off out of there, and then if you look at the pans, this is a curry pan, okay? This is a higher sided wok, obviously, but it's aluminium, and when we take that out of there, you're going to have a higher sided aluminium pan. So overall, this pan would actually be very good. It's going to reduce on the splashes because obviously it's a higher sided pan, and it will cook perfect curries. So what we're going to do, we're going to take off the old non-stick surface, and we're going to give it a clean up because it's a disgusting pan. And we got another one here, but it's more of a shallow base, and the quality is not as good as the quality as this one, but even so, we'll take that off there, and we'll have two curry pans to cook our curries in. So how easy is that? Now you're saying, how are we going to take that out of there to make a curry pan like this? Okay. Now you can either take it out by using sandpaper and rubbing it, which we will use sandpaper, but I'm going to opt for a quicker option. I'm going to opt for this option. Okay. We're going to use this, coupled with, covered in dust and rubbish already, look, coupled with some of these wire brushes. Okay, so we have different types of wire brushes in here, which should be enough to actually clean out the non-stick surface. So all we're going to do, we're going to attach that to that, and we're going to give it a, can you see? Already working, look. But what we're going to do, we're not going to take this non-stick off in here. We're going to take it outside and take the non-stick off out there, and then give it a good scrubbing down. But as you can see, it's going to take this off, and we're going to end up with a perfect aluminium curry pan. So let's take these pans outside and give them a clean down and a good washing. Or you could take your sandpaper. It's going to do the same job. Okay guys, there we are. There is the after of cleaning this pan. Now, look at the difference in size. Okay, there is quite a depth in size there. So this is an alloy pan. This is an alloy pan. Now this is a little bit thicker alloy than this. So we might have to be a little bit careful when we're cooking our curries in this, because it will cook quite hot quite quickly. But there you go guys, how to turn an old pan into a reusable curry pan. Okay, now the thing is, would I do this again? Well, not really, but if I have any more old pans that are all scratched out inside, I would probably. But the thing is, I would not do it by hand. A power tool, nice and steady, and it all comes off. Give it a good washing out, a good cleaning, and you have a good alloy pan to be used again. Now guys, when the Teflon inside is all worn away, people discard these pans. There's nothing wrong with this pan at all. But can you be bothered to do it with a power tool? Okay, with no power tool and you're scrubbing it out by hand, yeah, you can do it, but it takes too long. So now we have two curry pans, aluminium pans, one higher than a curry pan. So if you can't buy a curry pan, if you live in an area where you don't get a curry pan like this, like I can't buy a curry pan like this in Thailand. Now I bought this pan from the UK and had it sent out. Well, had 10 of them sent out, but we had the pan sent out, okay? So I was lucky enough to get an alloy curry pan sent out from the UK. Now, if you cannot buy a curry pan, there's the alternative. If you want to cook in aluminium, why do you want to cook in aluminium? You can make a curry in any pan, okay? But scientifically proven, aluminium pans conduct 16 times more heat than stainless steel. Okay? Now the thing is, everybody bleats on about making a curry in a curry pan. Okay, oh, it's got to be a curry pan to cook the curry. It's rubbish. You know, at the end of the day, all chefs use curry pans because it's cheap. Aluminium is cheap, very cheap. Okay, aluminium is the third most abundant element in the world. So make a pan out of aluminium, as cheap as chips. Coat it in Teflon or make it out of some other material, the price goes up. So this is why all the curry chefs use aluminium. It's cheap. Right, there you go guys. There is a brand new curry pan reconditioned. Okay, let's just talk a little bit about aluminium, because there's so many people are going to get on the high horse about cooking in aluminium, which is a load of cobblers, and I will say it out loud, it's a load of cobblers. Aluminium pans, okay, or aluminium cookware accounts for more than 60% of cookware in the USA alone. Okay, now that's not taking into consideration Asia and everywhere else where everything is aluminium. Okay? Oi. Big pans, aluminium, used in all restaurants. You don't get well, you do get stainless steel pans, but you don't get stainless steel pans like this in every single restaurant. Aluminium. Everybody gets hung up about, oh, aluminium. Look, aluminium is used in every restaurant, okay? everybody cooks masses of food in aluminium. So if you want to get hung up on it, guys, go buy a stainless steel pan. Go buy a cast iron pan. There's no point putting a comment on saying about aluminium pans, okay? I cook in aluminium pans. I've done the research like everybody else out there can do the research. Aluminium pans are used in every single restaurant, okay? Pressure cookers, aluminium. Okay, you can get a stainless steel pressure cooker, but a lot of pressure cookers, aluminium. Right guys, I'm not going to go into the differences between hard anodized and non-stick. Okay, that's something for you to research on the internet. I've done my research, you guys do your research, okay? There's this huge raging debate about, is aluminium cookware safe? Right guys, I'm not here to change anybody's thoughts or views, okay? I've done the research, like I say, you guys do the research. If you've got a hang up about aluminium pans, go buy a stainless steel pan. Cook in cast iron, use anything, don't use aluminium. Aluminium pans are used in every commercial kitchen where we dine out. Every commercial kitchen. There will probably be only a few commercial kitchens that will have a stainless steel cookware set throughout the restaurant. It's just not done. It's too expensive. It's just not practical. There's this debate. Oh, aluminium leaches into food. Look, this is now raw aluminium. This has not even been treated, okay? We've just taken all the non-stick off there. That is a full aluminium pan. Inside, outside, okay? And everybody says, oh, there's a problem of leaching aluminium into food. Now listen, research is being done. You can go check out the research for yourselves. And if you've got a hang up about using aluminium, don't use it. Right, it's been proven that aluminium does leach into food, but not much. It does not create any health hazard whatsoever. Okay, scientifically proven. But like I say, if you've got a hang up, don't use it. So like I say, they are small but very unimportant amounts leached into food. Food that has been cooked in aluminium. So it's been scientifically proven that cooking in aluminium, okay, or aluminium foil increases the aluminium content of your food by 3.5 milligrams. Now we, on a daily basis, consume between 1 and 10 milligrams of aluminium naturally every day. So 3.5 milligrams is insignificant. So it really does not propose any health hazard at all. Okay, there was a test done by Cooks Illustrated. Okay, they cooked a tomato sauce. Now, it said that acidic food products leach more aluminium into the food. Now, tomato sauce is an acidic food product, and Cooks Illustrated cooked a tomato sauce for 2 hours in an aluminium pan. They then stored it overnight. Now, the next day it contained 0.0024 milligrams per cup of tomato sauce. Now that is not a health hazard. So guys, if you have a problem with aluminium, like I say, don't use it. I've been cooking for a long time, guys. Aluminium is used in every commercial kitchen. So if you have a hang up about it, do not dine out. Make sure you cook everything in stainless steel and stay at home. Okay, So there is our new curry pan, refurbished from an old non-stick pan. So only thing to do is just put a bit of oil in and cook some onions or something. Again, this pan is already hot. This pan is going to heat up 16 times quicker than a stainless steel pan. Okay, we're going to go in with just a little bit of onion. Nice and steady then. Let's not get splashed with all the oil. So there's our onion. Our pan works fine. Now don't forget guys, cooking in this pan is going to cook quicker than cooking when it was a non-stick pan. And there is for an example. This has only just been in and it's already browned the onions. So this is a superb curry pan, but you don't cook it too hot. So like I say, this is absolutely red hot in this pan, as you can see. Okay, so we've got some nice, turn the heat off actually. We've got some nice charred onions within 30 seconds. That's how hot this pan is going to cook at. Okay, so we're going to have to be extremely careful when we make our curries. So there we go guys. Cooked onions in about 30 seconds. Ow. Delicious. Slightly crunchy on the inside. Absolutely perfectly, wow, absolutely perfectly cooked on the outside with that charring. Fantastic onions, ready for a doppiazza. Just look at that. Perfect. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget like and subscribe, share with your friends, hit the notification bell, all that type of stuff, and we'll catch you next time when we cook some food.